Jetpack Compose is Android's modern toolkit for building native UI. It's entirely built in Kotlin, allowing you to do more with less code. It's intuitive. Just describe what your UI should look like, and Compose handles the rest. If you're new to Compose, you're in the right place, because in this Math Skills series, we're going to cover the basics of building apps with Compose. In this series, you'll learn lots of things: how to think in Compose and what a composable function is, some fundamental and powerful components that make up the Compose toolkit, and finally, you'll see how the tooling around Compose accelerates your development to build apps faster. If you're looking to learn Compose in a group, Compose camps are in session around the world. Click the link below to join a Compose camp near you. We've got a lot mapped out for you, so sit tight, grab your camping gear, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything. Stay tuned for more.